Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G32. In this video I'll show you how to add internet speed indicator to status bar. In the beginning, let's go to Play Store and search for internet speed meter app. Install this app. Open it. And now you can close the app. After a few seconds, internet speed meter should be added to status bar. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.